Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a ta-da! Finally finished, and I just wanted to share it ASAP. I did the border this way. I did get lots of complaints. Well, no, it was only one person. She said that she couldn't see. Well, I'm explaining. I don't know. There's nothing to see. It's just... I'm just doing a different version of the tutorial, which I already posted. But I will go over it on my live stream. So if you just want to follow me, if you subscribe to my channel, you will get a notification. And I will show it again. Well, I don't know. Should I? It's very easy. Nothing to show. But yeah, why not? I will show it. Okay, for this is not even the full bedspread. This is like in the middle. This is a double size, one of the beds I have in the house. Okay, so you need to make at least so two more if you want to make it like this. But if you want to make a bedspread, so that would be 2, 3, 4, 5 at least, to make it double size. And again, this uses up lots of yarn thread. So I had the 3 weight in my stash, which I used it up. I just love, I can't believe how this looks nice and Victorian looking. Again, this is an old design. Was made in, I don't know, 1920s, because there's lots of picture. There's no pattern written. I didn't see any, so I don't think I will be in trouble because I did the tutorial. So again, this is the ta-da, and I put it on the floor, so I will add this, that clip here. I have to remove the music though due to copyright. But if you want to come and check my Instagram page, you are welcome to. Yeah, so I hope you like this short video. Ta-da! It's finished. Again, I used a 3 weight and I used a 3.5, I believe. Yeah, 3.5, or was it 4? I can't remember. But if you check my tutorials, I go over it 1,000 times. And this starts right here in the middle. And so here's one motif and here's another motif. So there's a total of 4. And one motif I measured is 30 by 30. So when I add the second, it's 60 by 60. So I did put this on my Etsy shop. It is for sale. It's 100% cotton. And if you want it, I would grab it. I think there's 9 people who have it in their basket. I don't know who's going to buy it. I'm just going to update the pictures. I took fresh pictures. And yeah. So you guys take care. How many yarn I have used? Ooh, I used lots of yarn. I think it was 2 kilograms plus another 2 kilograms. So, okay. If you watched my yarn unboxing yesterday, I bought 10 kilograms. It's thinner than this. So I'm planning to make a bedspread with that one. And then see how it goes. It's very heavy if you're going to buy it. I don't know how much I put for the shipping. So it looks like I have to pay out of my pocket, which I already posted. But I don't want to change it anything because it's already in people's basket. And I don't want to do, price increase or anything. But this is it. And I went with this border, because the other one used up lots of yarn. Oh, and I didn't have enough yarn. And it's going to be, like, even this is fantastic. So this way, when you look at it, you look at the bedspread. You don't look at the border. You know what I mean? But I do have a different version of making a border as well in my head. Comes to your head. Okay, so I will let you go. Ta-da! It's finished. One finished item for the month of October. I'll see you on my live stream if I don't come back to make a tutorial or post another video. You guys take care. Bye-bye.